Never give up. Keep striving. Keep fighting. Keep working. Keep...
Earth hungers for blood. There's a riot in us. Fate thickens the air.
I will be the change that I wish to see. Say to yourself, I have the strength. I have the power. Say, I am strong. I am tough. I am resilient. I am determined. I am capable. I am fearless. I am a warrior. I am ready.
This is a revolution. We are rising up. We are rising up. This is a revolution. We are rising up. We are rising up. This is a revolution. One moment in time to carve our names with fire. With everything on the line, watch the world ignite. This is a revolution. We are rising up. We are rising up. This is a revolution. We are rising up. We are rising up.
And change the minds of people who need to be changed. To show them what they need to see. To make them listen to the noises that they need to listen to. And to make them aware of what it is they've desperately tried to hide from. We show them what they don't want to see. We show them the truth.
This is a revolution. We are rising up. We are rising up. This is a revolution. We are rising up. We are rising up. This is a revolution. We are rising up. We are rising up. This is a revolution. We are rising up. This is
What if I told you that a simple change could shift the fucking earth? What if I told you you've been lied to since your first breath at birth? What if I told you that the food chain's not a vertical line with humanity at the top and all denominations defined? What if I told you that this tragedy is your choice? What if I told you that it's not true that these animals have no voice because they fucking scream, I've heard it. They're not food, they're not ours, they're not worthless. They had family, they had friends, and they had purpose. Are your fucking taste buds worth this? What if I told you this is an industry that's created on greed, that the people at the top, they know exactly what you need? What if I told you they know exactly how to take, just like the calves from their mothers 9 months after they were raped? What if I told you that the planet's screaming out loud but nobody fucking pays attention because it doesn't draw a crowd? What if I told you we might only have a few years left before we're burned up and burned out, wondering what could have been next?